Good morning, everybody. Happy Black Friday to all those holiday shoppers out there. Today is Friday, November 25th, 2022, and this is my stock market watch list. As you can see from the green cover, that futures are green this morning, with the exception of the NASDAQ, which is just slightly in the red, and I expect it to turn green. Let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD, and please smash that like button. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family. All right, this morning starts out with Carvana, CVNA. Carvana has been ripping in the last couple days after it made a double bottom. I do expect with the report that came out, it was very bullish. I mean, the notes, I should say, the Fed notes that came out from the meeting. And I do expect to see stocks like Carvana, Upstart, a firm with high interest rates, start to have some sort of a recovery based on the indications that are pointing towards a decrease in rate hikes. So hopefully in December, we get a 50 basis point hike, and that will certainly help out these stocks that, are unfortunately suffering due to interest rate costs. I mean, there's other reasons as well, but that's certainly not helping. So keep an eye on Carvana today. It's already up 2.71% in pre-market. Meta, META. All right, Meta has been having kind of an interesting week of consolidation, and I am looking to see if it breaks out in one direction or the other. So keep an eye on Meta today, META. Zoom. All right, Zoom had an interesting play this week as well. It was tanked down on earnings, which earnings were fine. It was the guidance that, the uncertainty with guidance that brought it down. But I do think that it is going to make a recovery. And if you look, it looks like it's forming some sort of a triangle here. And I'm looking to see which direction it breaks in. So keep an eye on Zoom. AMC got excellent news that Amazon is investing $1 billion, $40 billion, I don't know, something billion into theaters. And guys, it made moves immediately to the upside, was pulled back, but I think that move up is going to continue. AMC in the past on holiday weeks has tended to do pretty well, and the movie theater does tend to be packed around the holidays. So keep an eye on AMC. SOFI. All right, guys, this one was beat down very, very harshly. I'm not quite sure what on earth is going on with it, but look, it has an inverse head and shoulders forming, and I do believe it's going to continue making moves to the upside. So SOFI is on my watch list. HELLB. All right, guys, this is my play of the week, and it's had several breaks to the upside of, 10, 20, even 30% this week, and it's pulled back every single time. I'm hoping it gets a rally today. A nice rally would be great so that I can actually get a win under my belt because it's been a while. All right, AVCT. AVCT is up in the pre-market, approximately 3%. It has been barcoding. Can volume come in? I'm not sure if today will be the day, but it's possible. If not, I would keep an eye on this early next week, guys. MMAT, MMTLP. Guys, these are two stocks that over the next couple weeks you should have on your radar, and I will have them on mine every single day. JCSE, I have no idea why this is breaking out, but it is up over 30 cents in pre-market, guys. This 30 cents you see move in the past week, that's all this morning. And I have no idea. I don't see a news catalyst. So if someone knows, please comment below. Vion. All right, guys. Vion, after it agreed to sell its Russian business, Vimpelcom, for 130 billion rubles, which is 2.2 billion US dollars. So guys, Vion has gotten as high as 60 cents at one point. I'm not sure, but I think it could continue making moves to the upside today. Canoe, GoEV. Guys, this has climbed up 13.9% in pre-market because the director, executive chairman, and CEO, Tony Aquila, purchased 9,009,009 shares at an average price of $1.11 per share. I find the number kind of interesting. What's with the 3 9s in there? Is it a lucky number for him? and the zeros. Maybe he's cluing us $9 is his where he thinks the stock's worth. I'm not sure because it's 9009009. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Or is that telling us something else? I don't know, but usually when you see numbers like that, there's a meaning behind it. So if anyone has any clues, please comment those below. All right, Rocket Lab. Guys, Rocket Lab is up approximately 3.18% at the time I took this picture. And they announced that they were selected by NASA to launch the Tropics mission. So I would look for a continuation in this, and you might see some other sympathy plays in some of these other space stocks. So keep an eye on like SPCE, ASTR, ASTS. Those might show us SPIR, SPIR, those are a few that are on my radar today as well for sympathy plays if that keeps moving. Comms. All right, guys, comms, it's interesting because I'm not sure if this is just its time or if it's because people don't know how to spell COSM and inverted the M and the S, but comms has started breaking to the upside. This was like as low as 6 cents earlier this week. And as you can see, it's starting to make moves again in pre-market. So it's on my radar as well as COSM because it had a big pullback after a nice rally on Wednesday. And I'm looking to see if we get a continuation back to the upside and can break through that last high of around 66 cents. So look for a rebound rally in COSM, or perhaps it's done. I would just keep it on my radar either way. Macys. So this is something I'm looking at as a Black Friday play. You pick your favorite retailer. Target, TGT, ROST has been on a tear, KSS, guys, Nordstrom, any of these. Sometimes on Black Friday, these stocks just tend to go on little rips, and it starts off the holiday season where they tend to continue to climb because obviously they make good money. Polestar, PSNY. All right, guys, this has been having a huge break on news that it delivered its 100,000th vehicle and that it got a price target upgrade to $12. I'm looking now that it broke $8 for it to continue. And how quickly will we get to $9? We shall see. But guys, this was a heavily shorted stock. And what I think we're seeing is a short squeeze. So I expect this to continue squeezing upwards. DraftKings. All right, guys. DraftKings had a major pullback this week, as you can see by this lovely weekly chart that I'm showing you. And, unfortunately, it's actually not doing so well and compared to other stocks this week, but I think that it's going to start rallying, and this tends to be DraftKings and sports betting season. So I'm assuming that with football and everything else on Thursday, yesterday, Thanksgiving, and over the weekend, that we're going to see DraftKings start to really make some significant moves to the upside during the holidays and right into Super Bowl time. So keep your eye on DraftKings, not just for today, guys, but as a play in general. All right. And next we have Oxy. And I just picked Oxy because, again, gas and oil plays are up this week. Today they are green, and they hit a bottom earlier in the week again, and it seems to me that they've been rebounding. So I'm looking for the rebound rally in gas and oil plays. So Oxy is on my radar. And HAL is my other favorite one to play, guys. AMC, I already gave you. Geez, I don't know. I did that twice. Apologize, but you know what's going on there. And Goco. So Goco, guys, is a play that I called out a while back before its pre-reverse split when it was trading at 30-something cents. But my target to enter was when it hit through that 42, and it did. At that price, it would have been trading around around $6 and maybe 50 cents, 60 cents. Comparatively for reverse split. So as you can see, it's up pretty substantially since that call out. And if you got in earlier before I chose to get in, then you're up even more. But this is one that has been steadily climbing after it sold off, like most reverse splits do. It has a very small float now, and this should definitely be on everybody's radar because I think it's going to go on an absolute rip. A rip very, very soon. It's been beat down bad, and it shouldn't be where it's at right now. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a fabulous day, and good luck if you're trading today.